Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to deploy the Stimulsoft Designer in a Python application using the Flask framework. Open your IDE with the project folder. First, install the Stimulsoft package. If you only need reports, you can use the Stimulsoft Reports package. However, in this tutorial we will use the Stimulsoft Dashboards package. Open the terminal and run the installation command. Next, add a Python file to the project, such as designer.py. Add a static folder and inside it, create a reports folder. Copy report templates to the report folder using the terminal. The preparation is now complete. First, import the necessary modules from the Flask framework and the Stimulsoft package. Set up an endpoint for application routine. Add the designer function that creates a designer object, configures designer settings, and assigns a report object to the designer. Define the port and mode for the local server. Open the terminal and run the project using the Python interpreter. In a browser, navigate to the local URL. You should now see the Stimulsoft Designer added to the web page. The designer currently contains a report. Replace the report file with a dashboard. Reload the web page. The designer now displays a dashboard. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.